Alrighty, today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic Exe. Basically, he's a creepy pasta character. It's like a version of Sonic. I never heard about this till somebody recommended that I draw this. So, anyways, this is pretty funny. Really simple lesson. So, if you're a beginner, you will absolutely be able to draw this. So, let's jump into it right now. Alrighty, so let's get started. Alright, first thing I did here is I'm going to draw a line out here for the nose. Curve in, pull in here for kind of that hot dog nose that Sonic usually has. Circle at the end of it. And I'm going to fill that in dark. Yeah, you can kind of shade it in with your pencil if you have a pencil. Cool. I'm going to go over here, pull up, down, up again. Curve for side of the mouth. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull a curved line for the bottom of the face. Alrighty. Line over here for smile. And then pull in. I gotta say, I never heard of this character till a while ago. It kept coming up on searches as a creepypasta character. And right here, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line here for the teeth. Pulling in over here for the eye. Up. And it's gonna land down here. Up here. Okay. Go here for this side of the eye. Pull up. Curve. Over here on this side. Curve here for this far side eye. Up over here. Down. Over here. Down. Alrighty, let's go over here this side. Curve down here for one spike. I'm gonna go over here for another spike. And another here for this side. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw things. I post 3 lessons every day. That's more than any other channel, any other art channel, I think. So hit that subscribe, okay? And click the bell notification. Basically make this the video you do it in. 90% of the people that watch these are not subscribed, so absolutely hit that subscribe button. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw the eye now. Right here, it's kind of like a, I don't know, like a gravestone shape. Go over here as well on this side. And so one of the biggest differences, oh sorry, go over here, line for the ear. It's going to become a regular triangle. So that's the inner ear we're doing. And now let's draw the triangle on the outer ear right there, okay? Let's go to the far end over here and draw a triangle over there. It's the ear pointed away on the far side. The biggest difference I've seen with this version of Sonic is that we're going to fill this in right here. Like the whites of the eyes, the sclera, they're going to be dark. So kind of shade it in with your pencil or pen or anything like that. Shade it in there. That's the biggest difference I've seen so far in his design. It's really the biggest difference. That's Sonic Exe or X, Sonic X. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But he kept coming up in searches, this creepypasta character. So line over here. Again, just using my marker to fill it in, you know. But really creative. It's really fascinating that Sonic Exe, whatever it is like a thing. That was really surprising. Could not believe that when I found that. Let's draw over here like the line here for the body, down for the stomach. You got the line over here for the arm. He's got like a tube for an arm. Line here with the back, and then you can throw like maybe some spikes there coming from the back. Line over here up. Let's go here for the arm on this side. Line over here, line over here. He's got noodles for arms basically. And that's mostly it. That's pretty much Sonic EX, Sonic X. I still don't know how to pronounce it. Somebody can tell me in the comments. I would appreciate it. But thank you so much. You guys are amazing. This is such a strange recommendation. I would have never known about it unless you guys told me. So yeah, keep me up and aware on this stuff, and I will talk to you later, okay? Talk to you very soon. Let me know what you think in the description. And also, what I want you to do is I want you to reach out to me, ask me for advice on stuff. I give advice to everybody that asks, so absolutely do that. And go check out the long form content. I have basically all kinds of cool stuff on my full drawing lessons on Skillshare. So go check that up. You get a free month of that when you subscribe to Skillshare. When you go over there and sign up, you get a free month of it. And you can see every lesson that I have. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time, and I'll see you very soon, okay? See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing.
Over here on the right, you're gonna see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're gonna see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.